Hello dear viewers, welcome to this live stream. Can you hear me? Sorry, there was some technical this thing. I was not able to send sound across. The video was coming. I hope now sound is through. Please let me know. Yeah, okay. Hello Benny. Thank you very much for joining into this live stream, guys. We are here with yet another edition of Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 31st of August 2023. The day is Thursday. Cars Evolution is here. Hello, welcome to the stream. Cars Evolution. Is it someone who I have never seen here? Or you are always there and you are messaging the first time? Anyways, welcome to the stream. Thank you very much for being here. And who am I, guys? My name is Rakesh. You already know that I'm hosting this webinar every day at 1500 hours, sorry, 1700 hours according to Greenwich Mean Time. This is my friend. All right, Benny. All right, so we all are friends here. So in the next few minutes, I will be doing some price action analysis for all the major currency pairs. We'll also look at some yen pairs and yen crosses and other crosses also. Other than this, we will be looking at the Brent crude oil and gold and silver. And we'll also be looking at the crypto, that is Ethereum and the Bitcoin. And if you have any particular request, you can ask me that in the chat and we'll be discussing that. But before I say anything, I will say that whatever I am saying here is only for information and knowledge purpose. My intention is to tell you how to understand the psychology of the trader, which leads to the price action by reading the candles. Okay, and if you can read the candles properly, maybe you will be able to make better informed decisions in your trading. So that is my intention, and with this intention I am taking you to a risk disclaimer. Thereafter I will take you to the charts directly. The idea is that you should not be taking this webinar as the direct trading advice, but yes, it should be seen as an information video where you can learn. And if whatever I am practicing here or what I am showing here, if that works for you, then by all means you can use that, but do not take my video as the direct trading advice. That is my whole concern. So this is the J Forex. You are, I hope, that aware of it. This is Dukas Copy J Forex, and this is the 4-hourly chart of the US dollar index. But let's watch it from the daily point of view. Okay, so here till I think yesterday we had seen the price action somewhere here around 103, and you see how beautiful it has gone to make a low around 102.84, and in this process day before yesterday it has gone through this this particular low, which was there on the 4-hour. I will show you on 4-hour. This low, we had seen that if this low is taken out, then on the 4-hour it will be a selling structure. Okay, this happened and the price became a selling market structure even now on the daily, because even this low is taken out. See, in the process of going up, the price was making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. So this was the low, this was the previous low that the price has breached yesterday. So now this has become the new low, and now we are looking for a new high to be formed. Well, that high can form at the previous resistance, and price can come back from here, or the price can even go to the more discounted price, which is around 104.03 area, and from here the sellers may enter and push the prices lower. But yes, we are expecting lower prices in the dollar index. Now this current candle, which is green, is not giving us any hint of the sellers joining here. Okay, yes, we are right now below the resistance. There has been some rejection at that level. We need to check that on the 1-hour. Okay, once there was a rejection, thereafter there was no follow through, the price came again to this area, again rejection. So yes, there is resistance, there is no doubt about it that 103.65 is a crucial level of resistance, but till now we don't have any hint of further fall to the downside. Why? Because on the 1-hour the price is making higher highs and higher lows. So once the price starts making lower lows in this one, then only we can be cautious. So what you can do is you can actually make this channel, okay, like this, and you see when this channel breaks to the downside, you can be a seller, or otherwise what you can do, what else you can do, or you can look for the market action market structure, sorry, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. And now when the price breaks through this low here, you can be sure that the price action has turned, the market structure has turned negative, and then you may be looking for the selling market here, something like that. Okay, I hope you got it. If not, then just remember that till the time the price is making higher highs and higher lows, even on the 1 hour, you should not be selling this market. Although in the longer run, in the daily market structure, you want to sell this market. Okay, but right now is not the good opportunity. You need some confirmation that yes, now sellers are in control of the market, and then you want to go with them in the direction of the trend, whichever they are creating. All right. So now 103.65 is the resistance, 102.84 is the support. Later on, below 102.84, we have 101.58, which we are targeting on the downside. Okay, I am a little concerned about euro here. Well, a euro was supposed to take support around 1.0876, but that is not the only support. The other support may be given by this channel that we are going to create right now. So after this low, the price made this higher low. So expect another higher low to be formed here when the price meets this line again. And in the process, the price has made this high. So we joined these two lows and this high, and it became a channel. So now we are expecting the price to actually take a support around whenever the price hits this line and then go higher. This is what we are expecting now. Okay, something like this. This expectation has gone wrong, so we can remove this. Now this is the second expectation. Even if that doesn't hold, below there is a confluence of two supports. Now that support is being given by this channel as well as this horizontal level of 1.0782. So this is also one possibility where you can look for buying this market. All right, but yes, the market structure is up, and this will be the most discounted price, 1.0782. Below this, you should not be looking for the buying market or buying this market, because below this the market will make higher highs, higher lows, and thereafter this will be a lower low. So if the price makes a lower low, you don't want to buy that market. I hope that that is understood. Please let me know from the chat if you are understanding the things that I'm saying. And if you are still vibing around, make sure that you hit that like button, which is below the video. So what about the pound then? Well, in the pound also, on the 4 hour at least, it's a buy. I think yesterday we were on this particular candle. Yeah, it was 0500. Yeah, 1700. Oh, we were on this somewhere here. Okay, so let's go to the daily. All right, so here we had a resistance from this falling channel, and the price is still inside that channel, but we are looking for the higher prices in this market because the market has already started making higher highs and higher lows. Why? On the 4 hour at least, let me show you. So here the price was making lower highs and lower lows, and thereafter it started consolidation, and finally it went higher. In this candle only it went higher. We became cautious and started the price started going higher. It started making higher high, a higher low, which is expected right now at the resistance level, which may be now acting as a support. Till now it is not confirmed as a support. The price needs to breach this high for us to give a confirmation. But if you are aggressive, you can go buy here with the small stop loss below this, and you can target 1.2746. But that is not my recommended style of trading because this is aggressive in nature. Okay, if you want to be conservative, then you need to draw a counter trending channel. Now if we are looking for the buying market, so you can always draw a channel which is like this. Okay, as soon as this channel is broken to the upside, it will align in the direction of the main trend, which is the bullish trend, and then you can go for a buy with the target of 1.2746, 1.2818, like that. Right now support is 1.2653 and resistance is 1.2746, which is horizontal in nature. Looking at the Australian dollar, Well, first this channel was broken, then immediately the price came in, got some resistance at 0.65212. Well, when the price started coming down, we anticipated this channel to be again acting as a support, and it looks like it is acting as a support. And now also you witness that if the dollar index has to go down, this is the dollar index daily again, my friends. If the dollar index has to go down, don't you think that Australian dollar will appreciate in front of US dollars? So yes, the idea is that the price will break through 0.6521 when we don't know, but yes, you can create a downtrending channel right now, a small time frame channel like this, and then can expect the price to break higher from here. As soon as that happens, you can buy this market with the longer term time frame up with a target of 0.6616 and maybe even higher, maybe even higher. On the downside, we have a very good support around 0.6448 area. Below this, you should not be looking for buying this market. New Zealand dollar, yes, we have hit the resistance yesterday, and it was a very bad hit. The price rejection from there was almost 50% of this range. The price moved almost 76 points from the top, and there was only 45 points left for the price to retrace back to the 0%. That means it retraced a lot on the 4 hour. Did it get any support? Let us check. Well, the price went higher, 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 but no, it has again gone lower. That means now we are again looking for selling this market. We are not looking for buying this market, at least on the 4 hour. But on the daily, this market has entered a buying structure. See, the price was making lower highs and lower lows, and it ended up here at 0.6006, taking out all these stop losses. That means the buyers are in control of the market here, and they may be looking for another opportunity to buy this market. So idea again changes. Rather than selling this market or selling looking for a selling opportunity, you get aligned with the daily market structure and expect this falling channel to break. As and when it breaks like this, you should be looking for buying this market again somewhere here with the target of 0.66006 and 0.6034, like that. Are you getting it? Hello, Cars Evolution. This is your first time here. Do you think that you understand anything from the concepts that I'm saying, or is it something new for you, or you already have the knowledge of everything that I say and you are just checking me around if I'm good enough? What do you say, guys? Do you understand what I'm saying? Please let me know, because maybe I am very fast, going very fast today. Where is the feedback? I think people are playing video games while they're watching the webinar. Say something, at least say that it doesn't make any sense. You, well, whatever. Okay, let me continue, because otherwise we don't have time. Okay, so the USD JPY, it is in line with what is happening around. He's just watching with me, I'm with him also. Okay, so you're together today. Okay, I got it. So this car's evolution is responsible for your car crash? I hope no. um, okay, so here we had a bearish engulfing. Okay, day before yesterday there was a bit there was a bit down move after that, but today there was a retracement to this level of resistance and there was a pushback down. So I want to show you this on the 4 hour. The price tried to go higher but was rejected there. That means this is again a bearish engulfing, which engulfed these three, actually this 4 candles, the price action of these 16 hours. And those who wanted to buy this market, they are now again sent out of the market by hurting their stop losses here. So that means there is no coming back for this market before 144.53 is achieved. So in my opinion, the price is going straight to the 144.53, and one should be looking for resistance around 146.27 and support around 144.53, and I am expecting that also to be taken down, because in the longer run we are looking for lower prices for the US dollar, and we can also be looking for 141 and 138 in the near future. USD CAD is also on the similar lines. It is looking for the lower prices. 1.3495 is very critical, and okay, the price made this high and thereafter it is okay. So 1.3495 is critical actually. If that is taken down, then we will be entering a selling market in the USD CAD, and the next target will be 1.3461, and thereafter it will be 1.3377 area. So whatever I'm saying, it is not the exact point, it is a level or it is a zone. So when I say 1.3461, it may be 1.3455 or 1.3465 also. So bear this in mind. So this is a zone of support, and this is also zone of support. So this is not the exact point, okay? And even after that 1.3262 is also possible, but right now the price we have to focus is 1.3495. If that holds, we are still buyers in this market. If that doesn't hold and the price pierces through this, then we can be looking for the lower lows and lower highs in this market. All against the Swiss franc. Well, this is, I think, another opportunity for you to go short. One thing, price broke through this rising channel. Second thing, there is a bearish market structure again. Third thing, there is a confluence of multiple resistances. 0.8819 is a crucial resistance. So if that is taken out, sorry, if that is holding, then this is the level that we wanted always to sell this market. In fact, I will be right now in front of you, I will be selling this market only 1000 units, okay? And what is it? Why it did not get sold? Sell is sold, and thereafter I will be putting my stop loss somewhere here or maybe here, 54 points. And where should be my potential TP? It should be just above this 130 points, okay? So this is almost 1:2.5, but still I'm happy with that. Let's see how the things unfold. Now you know the resistance and support areas in this market. If the price goes higher, then this high will be the resistance. Okay, so silver, we got a bearish pin bar, but that bearish pin bar is nowhere. Now one of my friends, I remember that he asked me that there is a bearish pin bar, why should we not be selling? So if bearish pin bar is anywhere but not at the resistance, then we should not be worried about that bearish pin bar. This may be just a consolidation. So expect the price to go lower a bit and then get higher to 25.25, right? But if the price starts going below 23.90, then it will be a caution for us and we can see lower prices in that market. On the upside, 25.25 is the immediate target for us. In the case of gold, I think gold has already met the resistance. Yesterday I told you that before going further higher, the price should come back to 1929 or even maybe to 1903 levels before it makes the next leg up. The next leg up can take the price to 1972 areas. Yeah, this high, the high of this market is 1972.29 area, and thereafter 1987. But before that, I think 1929 or maybe these highs may be tested before the price takes off from here. Okay. Yeah, 1929 support, 1946. Now 1948.96 to be exact is the level of resistance. Brent, well, we have discussed it yesterday only when the price broke higher that it is going to go towards 85.82. But yes, the price has broken very easily through that price now. Since it has broken through, now we are buyers. Why we were not buyers till now? Because 85.82 was the downswing pivot and that is now taken out. So now expect the price to go like this and then come back and then go like this. Boom. Maybe even higher. Okay. Maybe even higher. So keep an eye on this. 85.82 is the support, 88.07 is the resistance here in this market. You may get a buying opportunity at 85.82 if the price goes down after closing higher than this. Bitcoin, day before yesterday there was a boom and yesterday there was consolidation. Today it has come back. That means either it is looking for the buyers to jump in again, but day before yesterday there were not enough volumes to push the prices higher, so that's why it sold off. Maybe now it is going back towards 24,766. Let's see how the things unfold. Till the time the price is trading higher than these, we should not be looking for any selling opportunity. But yes, below 24,766, you should not be holding this market for the long. On the higher side, we have crucial resistance at around 28,549 area. Ethereum. This rising channel may provide some support. If that doesn't provide, then 6021 is the next support. If that doesn't provide support, then this low, which is around 1578, should provide some support to the market. And if that also doesn't support, then 1548 should be the support. If everything fails, then we have the next level very far, that is 1367. Okay, so keep an eye on all these levels that I have mentioned. Why? Because these are the levels while the price was going up, these were held. If these are not held while going down, then the next level that you can expect to hold is 1578, 1548, and even 1367 in the process. On the contrary, if for some reason the price starts going up, then the next first level of resistance should be this falling channels resistance, which is dynamic in nature. Later on, we have the horizontal level of 797. If that is also taken out, then this long-term falling channel by this falling channel line, this may pose some resistance to the price. And if that is also not taken, out, then 2026 will be the ultimate resistance for the Ethereum. Euro New Zealand, we are buyers in this market in the longer run, but we are also expecting the lower prices so that we can buy this market. 1.8081 is the level where you should be looking for buying this market. So yes, this red candle is indicating that more losses or more correction is possible in this market. So we can expect the market to go till 1.8081, where we should be looking to buy this market, because these were the previous highs that the price has seen, and these highs should be now acting as a support for the price for the next leg up, which may continue till 1.28461 and 1.8629 area. Euro OD in the similar manner may give us another buying opportunity close to this neckline. The first target will be 1.6883 and the next target will be 1.7385 in this market. Yes, this channel is good. So I think you may get a buying opportunity very soon in the Euro OD. Australian dollar against the New Zealand, I think, is finding support at the higher levels. The resistance is 1.0925, the support is 1.0828. The correlation is the difference in the correlation is not much, that's why the price is staying there only. Australian dollar is rising, New Zealand dollar is also rising. Australian dollar falling, New Zealand dollar is also falling. So there is not a clear move to which direction the Australian dollar should move as per New Zealand. But even if there is small differences in the price, then 1.0925 is the resistance on the upside. The downside 1.0828 is the support. This channel now may be removed. Even these two may be removed. All right, let the price be clear. GBP AUD, we are looking for the selling market, and maybe this is the time when you should be selling this market. Yesterday we have seen a down move from this low. Their stop losses are already triggered, so they are also looking for the selling this market. I think one should be very cautious around this area, because this has been a very good long-term uptrend, and now finally the price is looking like it is giving us a selling market structure. Okay, the selling market structure, because the price has gone through this low to the downside, and now maybe this is looking for selling any low that, okay, maybe let's check on the 4-hour. Yes, on the 4-hour the price is making higher highs and higher lows, and thereafter it made a low here. This was the higher low. Okay, and on the 1-hour the price was making higher highs and higher lows. Here it made a lower high, lower low, and it made a lower high. This high was not taken out, it made a lower. So on the 1-hour at least the price has started making lower highs and lower lows. So be cautious, because below 1.9489 we are looking for selling this market, and that has happened yesterday, and now we are moving again in the similar direction. That means the main direction of the trend is now downtrend, and it can be a trade of the year with the target of 1.59100. But be cautious, because there may be a move like this, and then price going down. So if that happens, you will get a selling opportunity here, but if you sell it now, you keep your stop loss here, your stop loss will be triggered, and then the market will go down. So my request to you is that wait for the price to go into some more discount and then sell this market. Or otherwise what you can do is you can keep your stop orders below the low of this green candle, and then you can continue with this down move, and you can expect your you can keep your stop loss above the high of this candle. So you will have approximately 180 pips of stop loss and multiple thousands of take profit targets. But your volumes cannot be high, the volumes have to be small. All right, here looks like at the resistance there is a bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing means that the price is going down. So from the market structure point of view, this is a downtrending market. There comes a high, so the price can go back to 34,680 level to find this as the fresh support, and then can rise. So this is not a selling market, guys. This is a buying market, and this red candle is just an indication that lower prices are possible. So be ready with your guns at 34,680. You may have to push the trigger, okay, or pull the trigger, whatever you call. All right, guys, what is next? Cat JPY. I think Cat JPY we should just remove from our chart. It is of no use because we are not trading it. Somebody just suggested me to check the Cat JPY and Cat CHF. So there's nothing here. But yes, here it looks like somebody is trying to buy this market at the lower prices. 0.6609 is the resistance and 0.6453 is the support in this market. I want to remove this also because it is just consuming our time. Every day we are saying there is nothing here. GBPCAD, the ultimate target around 1.7333, and today's candle is a Marubozu, which is red in color, but still the price is trading above these lows, and till the time the price is trading above these lows, I am not even cautious. And in fact, till the time the price is trading below above 1.7002, I don't have any problem. But yes, target will remain at 1.7333, and on the downside we have support around 1.7002. okay, the trend is up in this market, the bias is also up. All right, right now US tech is rising like anything. We had some consolidation, and thereafter the price started making higher highs and higher lows. 15,933 is the ultimate target here. These highs are also the intermittent target, so I'm just pushing this to this area. So my next level of resistance is around 15,811. On the downside, we have a support around 15,265, but this will come down to now this high, which is 15,364. So keep an eye on these all levels if you are really trading NASDAQ. ODJPY in the longer run, it has to go up, but because of this bearish pin bar at the resistance, the price has come down. Look for buying this market at the test of this falling channel, which the price has broken after a long time. So what you can expect is either you can expect the price to rise from here, or you can expect the price to rise from here. So these are the two scenarios that I am going to keep an eye on. Whatever happens, I'll be going long in the ODJPY. Not right now, but yes, when I see some green candle on the 4-hour or maybe on the daily. Australian dollar in the longer run, it is going to go up. Okay, keep an eye. Keep an eye. Why I'm saying this, let me show you the weekly and the monthly. Okay, look at this. The price was in a downtrend, but here suddenly it changed into an uptrend. The price made a low, but again was bought back immediately. The price made another low, which is higher, and is again the price is rising. So that means 93.97 is a crucial support, and the price is going to come back to that level again, 93.97. So this may be a golden opportunity to go long in the ODJPY with a target of 94.95 and 95.85 in the coming future. Euro GBP finally. I should not say finally, I should say again. Actually, the price was in a downtrending structure, so we were looking for a lower high to be formed, and this formed exactly around these levels, these lows, these highs, these highs. So they all are in line. I think if I just make a line here or here, so they're approximately at the same levels. Okay, not exactly, but yes, approximately at the same levels. So yes, this is acting as a resistance. Now the price has broken even lower than this low that the price has made. So the next possible level in this market is 0.8492. On the higher side, we can expect 0.8610. All right, guys. So these are the two levels of importance for us. Now, if the price closes below this 0.8565, then 8565 will start acting as a good resistance for the price. Okay guys, I'm done for this today's webinar. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the chat box provided. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. All right, no questions. Great, great. So let me wrap up this session by just saying that I know and I hope that you also know what are the important levels of I got a question. All right, please feel free to ask, Benny. On the US 30. Okay, I'll open that up for you. US 30, 30. Here it is. Yeah, we are on US 30. Tell me, what is the question? No, no, I'll discuss that with you on Skype. There is no need to pull the trigger now. Okay, so I'm calling you on Skype, so we can discuss it in the private chat. Okay, there is no need to pull the trigger right now. The price is at no place. On the daily, it has broken the market structure to the upside. It has opened the okay, okay, perfect. So what are you talking about? Are you thinking of buying this market, or you are thinking of selling this market? Tell me. You are thinking of entering, but which direction are you thinking of entering? Tell me now. Yes, buying. So the plane has already taken the flight. It is in the sky. You are thinking of boarding a plane which is in the sky. Don't do this. Don't do this. So if you had to enter, you had to enter here. Do you remember here when we said that look for the buying 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 opportunity here? That was your area of interest. And thereafter on the 1 hour, I think we shown you this bullish pin bars, bullish engulfings. Why did not you enter here? Why you did not enter here when it went outside this zone of support? Why you did not enter here? Now you are entering buy when it has just met the resistance. Why would you do that? Yes, you want to buy this market, that is understood. And yes, this is a buying market structure, but the price is too much. The price is too much. You don't want to push the market up. Okay, when you and your friend who is sitting on the couch cannot push this market to 35 to 13, it's not you, it is somebody else who will push the market, but you will just join them. So nobody in his good mood will buy this market here. He would like to buy this market at this area, or maybe at this area. Why? Because this was the critical resistance earlier, and the critical resistance tends to become a critical support. Yeah, so something like this can happen. If not this, then the next level is this area below which there was a lot of buyers. So yes, this area may be another opportunity for you. So why to buy at this area here? If you buy here, where will be your stop loss? Simple question. Tell me, if you buy here, where will be your stop loss? Give me a level where you want to keep your stop loss. Right now the price is 34,848. Where will be your stop loss? Can you say that again, please? Yes, yes. Would have been a big hassle. Yes. So if you buy here, your stop loss will be very big, and you don't know where to keep the stop loss because the price has not made any low in this area. So if you let the price come down here and let it go like this, even if you say buy it here, you will know that this is your stop loss. What happens here, I will tell you that say it is happening, say it all is happening on the 1 hour, say, okay, and let us forget all this. Let us say that this all is happening on the 1 hour, something like this is happening. Here you see something, this was a low, this was a lower low, and then this was a higher low. So if the price has a higher low on the left and a higher low on the right, then this becomes your swing low. So if there is a swing low in the vicinity and you have a higher low in the right direction, then this becomes your buy stop. If the price pierces through this high, then you should enter the market and your stop loss should be here. So I'm now going back to this area. If you're buying here and your stop loss is here, you have some 10,000 points of stop loss, and your first take profit will be this high. So you have a high or a target of 32,000. So you get a 1:3 risk to reward ratio very easily based on the 1 hour. You can even go down to 15 minutes if you have to trade the indexes. Okay, if you have to trade the indexes, you can even go to that. But yes, remember that this pattern is a must to reverse the direction. Sorry, to yes, to reverse the direction. Like here, you see here, the price was making higher highs, higher lows. Okay, but here you see it was a high, then it was a lower high to the left and lower high to the right. So this becomes your swing high. So whatever the low that the price had made here in this process, below this would be your sell. So say if you entered here, your stop loss was here, and what will be your take profit? Your take profit will be the next level of support is here. So yes, the price is definitely going toward 34,680 area in the near future. But for that, the price has to break through these lows here, these lows, and these lows are 34,785. If 34,785 is taken out, the price will go to 34,680 level. I hope you understood this concept. No buying, my friend, no buying. I'm sending you the trades, don't worry. Okay, we have an unwritten contract, don't worry. I'm on to it. If at all you have to open a buy position, look what happens when the price meets 34,680. Does it give you a bullish pin bar like this? If yes, then you should have a buy stop order above this high, and this would be a stop loss, and you will again be targeting this high. All right. I hope that answers to your questions. If you have any further questions, you can ask me now. All right, guys, if you have been vibing around and you like my analysis, please feel free to smash that like button which is below the video. Today we don't have any like, that means nobody likes my analysis anymore. This gives a very bad impression about me in the area of lists. Okay, nevertheless, I'll just submit today that now I hope you know about the crucial areas of support and resistance. Please subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and be ready tomorrow. Actually, not tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time, that is UTC time, for this webinar. Every day we are doing it other than Saturdays and Sunday. And if you have not smashed that like button, please, I am asking you again to do that for me. And yes, that's all. If you have any suggestions after this video is published, you can write below the video if there is any suggestion or comment that you want to make. So till tomorrow, bye bye, take care, good night.